Now, yeah, he isn't tall enough to reach the shelf. That's the first sentence. Isn't tall enough to reach the shelf. Then we have to write that sentence. Rewrite. No, he is then too short to reach the shelf. No, with the word too you can write because they have given the word short within brackets. So we have to use the adjective too. Skiing holidays aren't cheap enough for me. Expensive. Okay, then skiing. Always when you are writing the word skiing, students, remember double I. The word ski, S-K-I, if you are adding ing, then another I is also added. So there should be two I's. The skiing holidays are, the word that they have given within bracket is expensive. No? Then we have to say too expensive. Huh? Skiing holidays aren't cheap enough for me. Yes, then skiing holidays are too expensive for me. Skiing holidays are too expensive for me. Next one. My dad's old car is too dangerous to drive. Then we can say my dad's old car. They have given the word safe. No, then isn't safe enough to drive. My dad's old car isn't safe enough to drive. Next one. The storm was too weak to cause much damage. Then the storm wasn't strong enough to cause much damage. No? The storm wasn't strong enough to cause much damage. Next one. My shoes aren't clean enough to wear to the party. My shoes are too dirty to wear to the party. So after the preposition to, students, we have to use the infinitive form of the verb. My shoes are too dirty to wear to the party. So here they are saying my shoes aren't clean enough. Clean enough. They are not clean enough to wear to the party. So if you want to use the word dirty, then you can say my shoes are too dirty. Too dirty to wear to the party. The last one. The sky is too cloudy to see the moon. Okay. The word that they have given within brackets is clear. Then the sky isn't clear enough to see the moon. The sky isn't clear enough to see the moon. The sky isn't clear enough to see the moon. Okay. Then they have given some questions as well. Okay, what interesting subject at school? Okay, so we can say, what's the most interesting subject at school? No, what's the most interesting subject at school? This one. Yes. Who attractive actor in the world? Okay, then attractive is a long adjective. Then we have to ask who is the most attractive actor in the world? Who is the most attractive actor in the world? Next one. What funny comedy on TV? Okay, funny is a word that ends with the letter Y. Then you can write the superlative in this way. What is the funniest comedy on TV? What is the funniest comedy on TV? Next one. What interesting city in your country? Okay. What is the most interesting city in your country? What is the most interesting city in your country? When there's a long adjective, students, always remember you have to use for comparative you have to use more, and for superlative you have to use most. So what is the most interesting city in your country? Next one. Who bad singer in the world? Bad, the superlative form is worst. No, so who is the worst singer in the world? Who is the worst singer in the world? And the last one, what dangerous animal in the world? Okay, then what is the most dangerous animal in the world? What is the most dangerous animal in the world? What is the most dangerous animal in the world?